Today, I want to go over some of the Revit tutorial key points. Introduction to Revit page. Download Revit files by model. What is included in Revit files? Revit hosting. How to use USAI Revit files. How to edit USAI Revit file properties. This is our Revit page. In here, you can download the Revit files by model. Also, you will see a little intro about building information modeling. On the right side, it's a graphic showing you the different components that also work in the building information modeling. Here you see a little intro about the Revit files, also the Revit resource. Here we have the Revit user guide PDF download. On the right, it's the Revit tutorial video you can click on and play on YouTube. On the bottom, this is where you can leave questions for us. Once you download a Revit file, I can show you what is included inside. For example, our little 2-cylinder. Once you download the entire product family Revit file, you unzip it, and this is what you will see. Each of the folders are separated out because of the category for the product. And once you go inside, there will be an actual Revit family file and a PDF. Just want to quickly show you what is on the PDF. So on the PDF, it's an overview, or you can say intro, for the Revit family file inside. Well, here you can see there's different type of canopy style and driver location. And then there's different type of fixtures in terms of mounting and suspension type. Also, you can see what is the parameter and what IES files that's used. How to load a Revit family into the model. What I normally do is to drag the Revit family into the project. And then I hit escape. Now you can see under your families, they're under the lighting fixtures. The fixture is loaded into the model. So I have previously loaded in a Bevel Mini Revit family to show you, and also now we have the cylinder Revit family as well. I can show you how to input 2 different type of fixtures into your layout. Just going to quickly delete this fixture that's in there already. Normally I would like to do is to open my levels, my RCP, and I have a 3D section created like this one. To create a section, you can go to View. Under View, there's a section marker, and you can just drag your section like this. Click your mouse again. Here's your section. So once you create a section, create your 3D section, you can type in WT. Now you can see both view at the same time. Just gonna make the 3D version larger. So there's two ways to host your fixture. One is face-based, one is work plane-based. To placing a component, click under architecture, under component, click on place a component. Yeah, clicks on component, and then you will see here you have two options, place on face or place on work plane. So when you click on place on face, placing the fixture, and you can see here's your fixture. It's cutting through the ceiling because that's the Revit default setting. So it's actually upside down. So just flip it. So now it's right side showing. If you wanted to input a recessed fixture, it's the same process. Place on face. And I would go into my RCP. Place right next to the cylinder. And you can flip it. Now the fixtures in the ceiling, and if you wanted to cut a hole in the ceiling, you will have to click on the fixture, click on cut here, click on your ceiling plane, and then click on the fixture again. Now if you hit escape, you can see there's a hole cut. To try to place in a component with the work plane, pick a plane or pick a line. I click on pick a plane, I go into my RCP, and if you hover over the ceiling plane, now you can place it in there. So in your 3D view, you can double check your work. And again, the fixture need to be flipped. The benefit of using a work plane based Revit family is that you can choose either hosted by face or work plane. And say if this ceiling will change ceiling height. Let's see if it would work. I change the ceiling to 10 feet, click on apply, and you can see the fixture have moved with the ceiling as well. That means once it's hosted, if the ceiling height changed by architect, the fixture will move with the ceiling. So your lighting RCP shouldn't need to rehost the lighting fixtures. To edit Revit family property, you can zoom in into your model, click on the lighting fixture, and then you go up to the property menu bar, click on this type property button. Here you can choose the different families that's available in this file, the different type of family, and come down here. You can see the different data. You can change the photometry information. like the initial intensity, you can swap out the IES file. To do that, you click on this three dots, and then you can go into the folder to find the IES file that you wanted to swap with, and click on the file, click open, and then replace the IES file. Also down here, you can change the different visibilities. You can change it to a flanged, flangeless, or millwork. Also, the different housing, you can just click select and unselect to swap out the housing as well. After you have done everything, click on apply, and then you will be able to see the new IES file or the most updated information for your Revit family.